Welcome to my review of the Cadrim 2K Outdoor Wireless Floodlight Security Camera. This solar-powered device combines a high-resolution security camera with powerful floodlights, making it an excellent choice for monitoring your property without the hassle of wiring. Let's dive into its features and performance. First, the solar panel is a 6-watt high-efficiency unit with a 3-meter extension cord connected to a 15,000 mAh rechargeable battery. The camera boasts 1,500 lumens of motion-activated floodlight, which is incredibly bright. The IP65 weatherproof rating ensures it can handle extreme climates from -4 degrees to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. With 64 gigabytes of local storage included, you don't need to pay for a subscription. Under typical use, the battery can last over 30 days on a single charge, even with 50 events per day. Video quality is impressive with 2K HD resolution and full-color night vision. The 6500K color temperature provides clear, vivid images day or night. The floodlights automatically illuminate when motion is detected, giving you a full-color view even in total darkness. This makes it perfect for driveways, garages, yards, front doors, porches, balconies, sheds, farms, animal pens, and commercial properties. Motion detection uses both PIR and AI to reduce false alerts. The PIR sensor has a 120-degree detection angle and 40-foot range. Combined with AI, it can distinguish between people, animals, and vehicles, sending accurate push notifications to your phone. The two-way audio feature lets you communicate with visitors or warn intruders in real time. You can also share camera access with family members. The pan-tilt-zoom capability is a standout. The camera rotates 355 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, providing 360-degree coverage. The floodlights illuminate a 300-degree wide angle. You can control the camera remotely via the UBox app, positioning it exactly where you want. Storage is handled by the included 64 gigabyte micro SD card, which supports up to 128 gigabytes. There's also a free 1-month cloud storage trial. The app allows you to replay or download footage. Older recordings are automatically overwritten when the card is full. Installation is straightforward, no wiring needed, and it can be set up in about 15 minutes. The solar panel has a 3-meter cable for flexible placement. The UBox app guides you through connection and setup. Just ensure you have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Overall, the Cadrim 2K Solar Floodlight Camera is a versatile, powerful, and easy-to-use security solution. It offers excellent video quality, reliable motion detection, and long battery life. Whether for home or business, it's a solid investment for peace of mind.